Welcome back to the channel, guys. VST here on S23. I just got the news from Sam Mobile via S23 that apparently we might need to wait a bit more for the so-called June camera fix. Now apparently the HDR bug, which we all know is this very sad and noisy glowing of objects, some other stuff, and even more, some of the features like the 2x that we really anticipate so much, things like this apparently are not yet ready. And in fact, guys, there is this post by S23 who is saying he got the news that the June update of the Galaxy S23 series may continue to be postponed, unresolved problems to be solved, and then he just has his own opinion. Well, I really believe that this is set given the fact that it's already the 12th of June, so yeah, when exactly will Samsung push it? Honestly, I am just thinking I am willing to give them a slack, guys, and just probably even skip the June update. Make sure to not release a half-baked ROM. I just want that they really fix everything and they push it through and even make it to the July update. So Samsung, if you're really reading this, which you're not, or watching this, it's not a problem if you skip June, but just make it right by us in July. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and yeah, that's the sad news I wanted to bring today to you. Sadly, June update S23 Ultra is gonna be delayed. S22 Ultra already got it, S21 Ultra got it, so if you get this baby here, we still have to wait.